We start out with a vector space R4, and we let U be the subset of R4, all those A, B, C, D, such that these two conditions are satisfied, that C is the sum of A and B, and D is the sum of B and C. And we want to find a basis for this subspace. Well, we'll show that it is a subspace, not just a subset. And if we have the basis, then also the dimension. Now what we can do is write these two equations in this form, and then we can see that it's a system of linear equations, but it's homogeneous because of the zeros on the right. And since it's homogeneous, the solution space is a subspace. So what we have to do now is solve it. It already is in echelon form, and clearly C and D are the free variables, but A and B are dependent on those. I'm going to use the method, we just call it in this course wandering ones, it's not a general name, where from the free variables, in this case D and C, each time we let one of them be 1 and the rest 0. So first we'll let D equal 1 and C be 0, and then the other way around. And once we have C and D, we can compute B from here, and once we have B, we can compute A. And